So if you watched any of my other videos here on this channel, you know I've been going over YNAB recently. And today's episode, I do want to talk to you all about what happens when a scheduled transaction has now appeared in your accounts. So if you see here, on today, I have $2,000 to assign. So something's come in. It's more than likely my paycheck for this demo account, that is. And if you go over here, you see a dot right next to checking account, means there is a transaction that has come in that you need to approve or decline. So if I click on that checking account, you'll see that it is a paycheck that has come in. It's got a little I there for information, and it shows the amount over here. And if you notice, it is bolder than the rest, right? So what you do here is, if this is something that has actually occurred today, because I schedule my paychecks in YNAB to come in like this, because I check YNAB pretty much every day, and it's kind of a nice little reminder that it's time for me to deposit my paycheck. So if you click on that little I, you can either choose to approve it or reject it. But let's say, for instance, for whatever reason, you ain't able to deposit it today. Maybe you're sick or whatever, right? You can always click on the date and put it back a day and hit approve, and it'll just wind back up in your scheduled transactions. And then when the 8th comes about, it'll pop right back in just like it did, right? But if you look up here at plan, that $2,000 is gone because you can't assign something that you didn't take in today. Another thing is, let's say, for instance, my paycheck was scheduled for the 8th, and I got it early, and they said I could go ahead and deposit it. Well, the same thing. When you click here, you can just go ahead and hit the 7th and hit save. And voila, it winds up back up here, but you still have to click on the I button and hit approve for that transaction to be completely registered in your account here in YNAB, in your checking account, right? And now you see I have $2,000 to assign. So basically, you can just either click on the Underfunded or find the categories that you want to fund. You can also do it by this way, by clicking Underfunded here and selecting the categories that you might want to fund, right? Maybe you just want to fund these ones right here and hit Underfunded. Boom, it's gone. It's been funded. Maybe you want to only do these right here. And now you have $20 left, and then you can go ahead and maybe you want to do that one. Assign it there. Now you got $14 left to split between these two. Very simple. You can go up here, hit manual, and go on down to medical, if that's what you want to do, and assign it there. Or I could have just typed it into the box here. So basically, I just wanted to show you what happens when a scheduled transaction comes in to either your checking account or credit card account. It's all the same, handled the same. You just hit that little information button and approve or reject it or move it to another day, whatever is convenient for you. So I hope you all enjoyed this short little episode. And if you did, don't forget to hit that like button right down below. Helps get this out to more and more people. And if you want to see more of these videos in the future, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. With that being said, I want to wish you all a wonderful week, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care. Bye.